现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And this month we're teaching you the phrase in Hakka when you want to say you look like or you look happy or you look beautiful. How do you say that? 看起来怎么说呢？
看起来。
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 看起来。Okay, 看起来 that means 看起来 you look so good. You look like you're in a good mood. 你现在看起来心情很好啊。周围人心情很好的时候，希望感染一下，
然后就要跳起来了。
对，那可能是什么老板加薪了啊？这很难得在这个年代，对不对？
对，要不然就要结婚了，要跟你恭喜了。
That's right. Let's say you got a raise and you look extra happy. And of course, people around you are going to ask you, why do you look like you're in a good mood? 你看起来心情很好哦。
看起来。
看起来
心情懂好哦，
心情懂好哦，
心要闭起来好，
心情懂好哦，
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 看起来心情懂好哦，
心情就是心情啊 ，That's your mood, alright? 懂好 that means looking good, yeah, exactly. 你再说一次 ，repeat 一次。
看起来心情懂好哦。
看起来心情懂好哦。All right， 那因为老板加薪了 ，because I got a raise from the boss。
因为调價，加薪啦。
这句话听起来好悦耳，加薪啦，
加薪啦。
Okay， 加薪 that means getting a raise， and 老板叫做
調價
that's my boss or supervisor. 太好了，恭喜 Of course, you want to congratulate that person, your friend, right? Very good. Congratulations.
很好哦，恭喜！
很好哦，恭喜！恭喜
哦，给你枪哦！
什么东西啊？
给你请啊！
我就知道，
你加薪啊！
我们只是个例子，我又没有加薪，奇怪了。But a lot of people will say that, yeah, treat us to dinner or something, right? But 恭喜 that means 恭喜 or congratulations. 下个月也会用到这个词啊，对不对 ？All right. Well, let's review some of these phrases, such as your mood, 心情 and then your boss, 老板。
調價
and finally 恭喜 congratulations
恭喜
all right I hope you get a raise sometime soon and it's all about 看起來 looking like
看起來
and there you have it that does it for today's practical Hakka on Icrt
什麼大家
俺只say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council